Hello everyone, we're going to be testing the oxygen sensor downstream in this 2002 Honda CR-V, and they are located, both of them, over there. You can see that's the downstream and then upstream, one before the color converter, one after, and we're going to use the multimeter to test them. Okay, here's the upstream, downstream, and easy to access. Here's the connector, press and then pull. Here we go. So we're gonna test this one first. To test this one, you see the two black wires, and those are actually gray, black, and two white. The wires are same color, mostly are the heat element wires. So, and the two other wires, the gray and black, are the voltage. So using the regular multimeter like this one, okay, now we're gonna put the multimeter on ohms. This one, see, ohms, touching the two wires, and that's what the resistance is, 0.5. Let's check the resistance in this multimeter. The two white wires, one here and then one here. Let's see the reading. Nothing. So if there's no reading, see, nothing. That means let's check the other one. Yeah, so there's no heat element working in this sensor. So this sensor is bad. Nothing is showing at all. See, when I check the other one, I'm gonna check this one. And then press here and then pull like that. Okay, let's check this one. Same thing, wires. This one has a blue, white, two black. And let's check this one and see the heater element. And this one, okay, let's check. If there is no heat, no resistance at all, and that means this is bad. Nothing. Nothing at all. Nothing. Okay, there's reading here. Yeah, so they see there's reading here. If there is a reading, that means it's working. That's 2.0. So the heat resistance in this sensor is, those are the two black here, you see that? Two black wires, and they are here. So there's a heat resistance in this, and which is, see, 2.0. So good. This one has a heat resistance, but I have to check for the voltage. The voltage to test by running the car. So we need to run the car. But this one, nothing. There's no heat resistance in this one at all. Check again. Nothing. Has no heat resistance at all. So this sensor is bad. So we can remove this sensor. Before we remove the sensor, let's put this one back in. Okay, now we're gonna have to check. We're gonna check this sensor. This sensor is bad, need to be replaced. That one has a heat resistance, but we don't know if the voltage is working or not, so we're gonna start the car and we'll check the voltage. Always the white and blue are the voltage. And one more here. So first let's do the heat resistance to make sure. Yeah, here's the heat resistance, and the top, the blue and white, are the voltage. Okay, now just gonna put this one here, and then this one goes here. Multimeter, we'll put it on millivolt. Here we go, millivolt. Now we're just gonna start the car and check for voltage. So we see there is a reading for the voltage, and it's if I put it on DC volt, it's gonna be randomly from 0.1 to 1 volt at the most. Millimeter. Can you press? Now we're gonna press some gas, accelerate to see the voltage. Okay. Press and release. Press. Okay. Press and release. See, the voltage is now 0.7, but it's not going up and down, like increasing and decreasing rapidly. You see that? And that also tells me, see, the voltage now stays on 45, 0.45 volt, millivolt. The good oxygen sensor should change the number like rapidly, but this one stays on 0.45 millivolt. Okay, press the gas. Okay, press the gas. Gas. Release. Press and release. Press, release. Press and release. Press, release. More. Press, release. Press, release. Press and release. Press and release. Okay. Gas and release. Gas release. Okay, after we shut off the car, now you see the voltage, millimeter voltage, is dropping slowly. I think a good oxygen sensor should drop quickly, but this one, what is it called, like lazy oxygen sensor, and it's dropping very slow, the millivoltage. So I think both of those oxygen sensor need to be replaced. This one has a no resistance, and you know, while we here, let's check the voltage for this one too. We'll put this one back, this one, and then the other one goes in here. Let's check the voltage for this thing. Voltage is this one and this one. This oxygen sensor, it has the heat element is burned and no voltage. Yeah, this need to be replaced. To remove this oxygen sensor sometimes it could be hard, but see, hit it a little bit like that and then shit comes out easy. There we go. what it sounds like. Gas?